A common question I hear is, why do I need an SSA? Well, an SSA is like an insurance policy for your security system. You hope you never need it, but if something does happen, it will save you time, money, and stress when it matters most. Without an SSA, the expense for every fix, every update, and every emergency call falls on you. No coverage, no support, no safety net. An SSA protects your investment, reduces risk, and keeps your system current. So you're not just reacting, you're staying ahead and getting the most out of your Symmetry system.